Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. When this video uploads, I hope it's happy Labor Day to y'all. I'm going to do a couple of quick videos in one today. You're getting two for the price of one today. I'm going to do a couple of sides if you're doing a little Labor Day cookout or cook in or have you want to do it. I'm going to do some cabbage, ham hocks, and I'm going to show you my meaty barbecue baked beans. Couple of simple, easy recipes. It's really quick. The only thing about this cabbage takes so long, I'm using ham hocks in it. It takes a couple of hours on top of the stove. It takes about 30 minutes if you do it in an Instant Pot. But I'm going to do it on top of the stove, y'all. So all I do, a couple of ham hocks here. See that? Nice meaty ham hocks. Look at that. And it takes a while for these to cook because they smoke ham hocks. Put them in there. Chopped onion. I put a little vinegar in mine, y'all. My mama always did that, say it speeds up the cooking process. Turn this on. I'm gonna fill this up with water. And we're gonna let this simmer a couple of hours, y'all. Also, I'm gonna put a little garlic in here. And that's gonna be pretty much it. And I'll come back later and show y'all. Put a little garlic in there too. Ain't no wrong with garlic, huh? How I do my meaty baked beans. About an hour into the cooking process. I have time. It's gonna take a couple of hours, but like I say, for this ham hocks to simmer and get cooked. But I'm gonna do a meaty baked bean. Like I said, I do my baked beans. It's very easy. But I use if y'all, I think I did a video before. If not, I'm gonna do it again. Just in case somebody haven't seen it. And it's even way down my playlist there. So, anyway, I'm gonna fill this up. Let these simmer a couple of hours. Come back. I'm gonna pour most of the water off of these. I'm gonna pick the meat off the bone of the ham hocks. And I'm gonna come back and do my meaty baked beans. Very couple of sides y'all can use for this Labor Day. Today, if you're cooking for Labor Day this morning, a couple of ideas for a size to your barbecue, or if you're just doing regular comfort food, whatever you're doing, just a couple of recipes. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all a quick way I do baked beans for the holiday season. And like I say, this recipe will be in the description of the video, y'all. Veteran of the video. So what I do, take me some bush baked beans or any the favorite baked beans that you have. A couple of cans of that. Quickest way to make baked beans, y'all. Quickest way to make them. A couple of those in there. 1 second here. Okay. I'm gonna put me some little brown sugar in here. Brown sugar in there. A Worcestershire sauce in there. Or AKA American soy sauce. Some mustard in here. Put me some barbecue sauce in here. And now I like to put some meat in mine. I got some kielbasa smoked sausage. I got some, you can use brisket, but I'm using some old pork butt that I had. I always keep and put in the freezer. It's gonna make it really meaty, y'all. Sometimes I put old brisket ends that I have. I'll put that in there. I'm gonna put a little ketchup in here too, y'all. Put a little ketchup in here. Put a little ketchup in there too. This gonna cook for an hour and a half, y'all. So all these flavors gonna marry together. Put a little bit more barbecue sauce in there. That's it, y'all. Mix this up really good. All them good flavors in there, y'all. Now, what I'm gonna do, got me a baking dish here. I'm pour this baking dish in there. This baking dish. Get that round in there really, really good. Now, still not through. I got some bacon here. I'm gonna put some bacon on top here. Lay bacon across here. You can put onions in this if you like. You can do whatever you want to this, y'all. There's no law on how you should do this. This is how I do mine. I mean, I change it up periodically on the holidays. And bacon gonna go this way with it. I'm gonna use this whole thing of bacon, y'all. All that flavor gonna go all in there, y'all. That's it. Put that in there. I'm gonna put it in the oven uncovered for an hour. I'm gonna let it on 350 degrees for 1 hour. Just let it get all good and all the flavors marry together. And we'll be back. I'm gonna finish this cabbage. These oxtails. These fly trying to get away from that fly. These ham hocks here been simmering about 45 minutes. They got about another hour to go. I'm gonna come back and just put this in the oven here. There in the way. We'll come back here and finish off these cabbage. So we're gonna have some cabbage and some baked beans, a good side for your Labor Day. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I took one ham hock out of here already. Oh, it was smaller, you see that, it's already cooked. So I'm gonna take this other one out of here. It's definitely cooked, y'all. And I'm gonna let this cool because I'm gonna pick the meat off of it and put it back in this liquid here. And y'all know it don't take this much liquid to cook all this cabbage. So I'm gonna take some of this out. Take some of this liquid out of here. I do like a lot of pot liquor in my cabbage, but I don't want this much. Alright, I'm actually going to keep this pot liquor here for some greens later. Now all I'm going to do, y'all, take this cabbage that I cut up, put it right here in this water here. This nice stock. Let's see. My mom, she likes a lot of pot liquor on her cabbage. I guess when you put it in there and put that cornbread in there with it. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season this up. All I'm gonna do, y'all, put a little salt and pepper in here. And a little bit more, put apple cider vinegar. I guess I should have handed that already. You don't have to put vinegar in yours, but I grew up, my mama used to always have vinegar. Cook her cabbage and greens with vinegar. And I'm gonna put a little olive oil in this. A little olive oil in here too, y'all. Little olive oil in there. And that is it. I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook. I like to cook this down a lot. That's why I grew up eating my cabbage. It wasn't firm, it was cooked down. So I'm gonna put the lid back on this. Let it come back up to a boil. In the meantime, I'm gonna take the meat off these ham hocks here. I'm gonna put it back in there. The beans, remember the baked beans I put on? They should be ready about the same time. So these two little side items coming together about the same time. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, I just took the baked beans out the oven. They still bubbling. And see how 1 hour in the oven, y'all. And this is what you get. Of course, I like eating the bacon off the top of it. Bacon there, nice bacon right there. You can cook it a little bit more to get it crispy. This is what I like. This is just like I like my bacon too. And all that flavor and stuff in there. So I'm gonna let these cool off just a bit. In the meantime, let me move you back over here to this cabbage here. Got my cabbage here boiling off here. See that? Like I say, it's a lot of liquid in here, but this is what I like and my mom likes too. Because that's pot liquor. We like to put what she likes to do, put the cabbage in the bowl with the pot liquor and the cornbread in there, and that's how she eat it. Now, if you don't want as much pot liquor, of course, you don't have to put this much. Now, I'm going to put my ham hocks back in here that I picked. Stir them back up in there, and that's just even more flavor going back up in there. Look at that. Can't go wrong. You probably never seen cabbage with ham hocks in it. It's a meal in itself right here, y'all. It's a good side dish right here, y'all. So I'm gonna let this cook. This needs to cook at least 15 more minutes, because like I said, my mom likes hers completely cooked, y'all. You know, older people, they like their food mushy, and I like mine like this too. Because like I say, I put mine, I learned from her. My dad used to do the same thing. Put it in a bowl with some cornbread and then put that on top with the pot liquor. Oh my God. You talking about good, y'all. Talking about good. So anyway, I'll be back in about 15 minutes here and we'll have it played up. I got some oven baked ribs I got left over, remember, from the previous video. I'm gonna eat this with some oven baked ribs, baked beans, cabbage. This is a meal in itself, y'all, right now. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I made me a little plate here. Look at that. Ooh, this plate is hot. Got the cabbage on there, my meaty baked beans. Of course, my ribs, you know, them oven baked ribs I did the other day. Got them on there. So let's try this cabbage. I know it's tender. A little ham hock. All I need is some cornbread, which I'm going to have later. Cabbage nice and tender, which I like it. And these beans are definitely on point. Okay. Can't go wrong. Beans with meat in it, y'all. Let's try these out. It's hot. I don't want to burn the roof of my mouth. That's a plate there, y'all. Wow. So good. So good. So easy, so simple, like most of my recipes are. So, anyway, y'all, I hope y'all have a blessed, happy, safe Labor Day today. This video will be out Labor Day, yeah. Hope y'all have a safe Labor Day today. If you're cooking in, I got a few recipes on there. You just check my channel. Just look up old school oven barbecue. Give you some ideas for barbecue ribs, chicken, all inside the oven. I got sides on there like potato salad, macaroni salad, anything for a barbecue. I've already posted videos on. The key word is just put old school in front of it. That's why every video I put, even though a lot of stuff is not old school, some of the things are not old school, I still put old school in front of it because it's easier to search for it on the YouTube or on the social media. So yeah, just search around. I got over 500 recipes. If you're new to the channel, just hang around. Welcome to the channel. I've gained like 15,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. So y'all welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome. Get to know each other. There's not a lot of drama on this channel because we don't, not only I don't tolerate it, the whole family doesn't tolerate it. It's just a lot of like-minded people on here. We're all here for one thing, good old-fashioned food. And that's what brings us together. So just enjoy, and I welcome everybody, and the older too, who've been here before. I appreciate y'all staying around and watching an old guy like me get in the kitchen and saying y'all in every sentence. I'm sorry, that's just where I was raised. I got a country accent, that's just me, and there's nothing fake about me. This is just me. I don't want to be fake on the channel. I'm just being myself, and it works. So anyway, I appreciate everybody. Have a nice Labor Day weekend. I'm excited for the upcoming fall. Lots of new recipes coming for your holiday season. Thanksgiving, Christmas will be here for you know it. That's when I really like to get in the kitchen and really throw down. So anyway, let's close this video. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year, 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.